If you've lost access to your Google Calendar account and can't remember your email, follow these steps to recover it. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Google Account Recovery page. Go to the Google Account Recovery page by entering accounts.google.com/sign/recovery in your browser. This page is designed to help you recover your account using various methods. Step 2. Select Forgot Email. On the recovery page, click on the option that says Forgot Email. This will take you to a new screen where you can start the recovery process without needing your email address. Step 3. Provide your recovery information. You will be prompted to enter a phone number or recovery email associated with your account. Input the information you have access to and click Next to proceed. Step 4. Verify your identity. Google will send a verification code to the phone number or recovery email you provided. Check your device or email for the code, enter it in the provided field, and click Next to verify your identity. Step 5. Access your account. Once your identity is verified, you will be shown your Google account email address. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed and regain access to your Google Calendar. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Google Calendar account even without your email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.